All right, so this is for the people that were commenting on my video the other night about the Mazda misfiring for the 5th time in like 3 months. So just pop the coils out. There's no oil, thank God, because if the valve cover gasket that I did a couple months ago didn't fix the issue of oil being in the being on the spark plugs, then obviously it's not a good sign, and I probably would have had deeper issues. I mean, hey, I still might, but yeah. So I'm gonna grab new plugs, and I'm gonna hope for the best when I throw them in. I actually forgot my extension in my house, but yeah, I figured I'd update you guys, and we come back here tomorrow, and we're gonna figure out why this thing's misfiring again. So I'm ready to post it for sale if this keeps happening. So if anybody needs a 2013 Speed 3 100K miles, let me know.